Hello, kids. I'm the skull, the hard bone that protects your brain, like a helmet. I keep your head safe so you can think, learn, and play.
Hi there. I'm the scalp, the skin on top of your head where your hair grows. I cover the skull and keep everything underneath cozy and protected.
Wink, wink. I'm the eyelid. I open and close to protect your eyes from dust, bright light, and other things. Plus, I help you blink to keep your eyes nice and moist.
Hi, I'm the cornea, the clear, shiny part in the front of your eye. I help light come into your eye so you can see clearly, like a window for your vision.
Hello. I'm the pupil, the little black circle in the middle of your eye. I let the right amount of light in, like a tiny door, so you can see things even when it's sunny or dark.